Meaning of fail.
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 Fail. Fail is a verb that means to be unsuccessful in achieving a desired aim or result. It can also refer to an individual or organization that does not meet expectations or standards. In academic settings, it often indicates that a student did not pass a test or course. A failure can have negative consequences, including disappointment, frustration, and loss of time or resources. However, it can also provide opportunities for learning and growth, as individuals may reassess their approach and try again with new strategies. Overall, failing is a natural and common part of the human experience.